We'll guide you through how to download and install RStudio on your PC or laptop. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, you'll need to go and open up a web browser and come to a search engine. And what you need to do is go and search for RStudio like so. Go to the official site, which is posit.co, and here we are. Now what you need to do is scroll down and we need to start by installing R. So we'll go and click on download and install R. You'll be brought to this page here and you can go and choose your OS at the top here. I'm using Windows, so I'll select there. And then when it comes to the subdirectories, we need to go and install base as we're installing R for the first time. So click there and we can then go and click on the download button in the top and wait for it to finish. It's now gone and finished, and then what you can do is go and open up your file explorer, come to your downloads and find the app, and then double click on it like so. You'll go and get a Windows security pop-up which you need to agree to. Then choose the setup language. I'll choose English. Make sure you read through this. After you have, click on next if you agree, and then you can choose where you want to install it. That's fine, and I'll press next again. And there's a few other options you can go through as well, and then it'll go and install it. Just go and wait. It's now completed, so you can go and click on finish. Then what you need to do is come back to your web browser, and we need to go back a few pages like so. Come back to your web browser like so, and come back to the site. And now we can actually install RStudio. So now we can click on download RStudio desktop for Windows and it will go and start downloading. It's now gone and finished, and once again you need to go and open up your file explorer, come to your downloads folder and go and find the RStudio installer. Then what you can do is go and double click on it just like this, and we then need to go through the setup. So you can choose your destination folder, you can choose a start menu folder. I'll just press install though, and it's now going to start. And all you need to do is wait. It's now finished, and I'll go and click on finish like so. We can now go and open it up. So come to the bottom of your computer and go and click on search. We can then type in RStudio and we can go and open it up. And that's it. So if you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.